Hello YouTube. I wanted to do a quick tool review for you guys today. So recently, actually when these first came out, I purchased from the tool truck a set of Snap-on Flank Drive Extra 3/8 drive shallow sockets. And I wanted to do a quick review on these because I've been using them. They're a newer product, and I've used them since they came out probably for 2-3 months now. And I've put these through all kinds of tests, just in doing just day-to-day wrenching, and wanted to tell you what I like and what I don't like about them. Now, for starters, you might be wondering what the difference is between a Flank Drive socket and a Flank Drive Extra. So the Flank Drive Extra, essentially they just grip significantly tighter than the standard Flank Drive socket. They do this by both gripping tighter on the corners and especially more so on the sides, on the actual sides of the fastener here. And that, combined with just tighter tolerances, means that these sockets can break loose almost completely rounded off fasteners. Quite easily, actually, which I didn't believe until I really put these to the test. Now, I started using these right after I bought them, and here's a few things that I noticed and a few things that I really like about them. Number one, of course, they break loose extremely rounded off fasteners, as I stated before. So that's extremely handy. With these, a lot of times you can, instead of smacking like a twist socket onto something, these will just take it loose for you. So one set of sockets pretty much takes care of that for you. Number two, what I like about these is you can see here there's an indentation made on this socket. What that allows you to do is, if you have greasy hands and you have a ratchet without a quick release tip, you can grab this indentation and it gives you something to grip to pull it off the ratchet or whatever you have it on. I wish all sockets had these. This is extremely convenient, so you don't have to waste your time trying to pry a socket off your ratchet or whatever you have it on. Now, third, and this kind of goes, I guess, for all Snap-on tools, or at least most Snap-on tools, is they're very durable. I actually use these more than I should on a regular impact gun. Obviously, you're not supposed to use chrome sockets in that kind of application, but they work fantastic. I've never had one split, break, or anything else. So they work fantastic. I know I'm missing a 12mm, by the way. It's still at work. I forgot to grab it before I came home. The one thing I'm going to tell you guys about these before you purchase them, and it's both a positive and a negative thing. These fit so tight that most of the time you will find yourself smacking the fastener loose from them after you've got the fastener loose. For example, I'm working on doing a transmission in a Honda Accord right now at work, and most of the bolts, if not all of them that I've taken loose with these, I've had to kind of take and tap on the ground or on the lift and wiggle the fastener loose out of them. That's just because they fit so tight. If you've got any crud or corrosion on a fastener head, it's going to get stuck in here. And sometimes they can be a real pain in the ass to get out. So just keep that in mind. Overall, would I recommend these sockets? Absolutely. They're extremely durable. They work very well, and they do exactly what they're advertised to do. Just beware that you might have to take a few extra seconds to get the fastener out of them, just because they fit so tight. Overall, I absolutely love them, and I would recommend them to anybody. Thanks for watching, guys.